Students, today we will discuss about the meristematic tissue. But before this studying about the meristematic tissue, we should know about the what is the tissue. Tissue are a group of the cell. These are the group of cells that combine together to perform a particular function. Tissue is a group of cell. Group of cell is called tissue that combine together to perform a particular function. Now, what is the importance of tissues? Tissue help in the division of labor. Division of labor means it will divide the work. Tissue organized to form organs and organ into the organ system. Cell, group of the cell is called tissue and tissue form the organ and organ form the organ system. Workload of the individual cell has decreased. Workload of the individual cell has decreased so that they can perform particular functions without fatigue. Now tissue. Tissues are of two types. Plant tissue or animal tissue. Plant tissue. Plant tissue are of two types. Meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue. These cells are living cells. Meristematic cells are living cells and they have the division of capacity throughout the life. They will divide throughout the life. Permanent tissue. These cells may be living or dead. Both type of the cell are present in the permanent tissue and they lose the division. They lose the division and become the permanent tissue. Now meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue have the division power for full life and they are the living cell. It is of three types. Apical meristem. Apical meristem present at the growing tips of the stems and roots. It is the present on the growing tips. Growing tips present at the stem and root. That's why it increases the length of the stem and root because it is present at the growing tips. Now intercalary. Intercalary present at the base of the leaves. Base of the leaves or internodes. Base of the leaves or at where the twigs arise, it is present there or at the internode. It increases the intercalary length. It increases the intercalary length. Lateral meristem. It is present at the lateral side of the stem or root and it increases the girth of the stem and root. Girth means width. You can draw the diagram here. This is the tip of the stem and here is present the apical meristem. Apical meristem is present here. If we discuss about the lateral meristem, on the sides of the lateral sides of the stem it is present and this is called lateral meristem. Lateral meristem. Intercalary. These are the nodes. These are the nodes and this is internodes. This is node and this is internodes and here the branches arise or the twigs arise. This is present at the here and this is called intercalary and it increases the length of this node and internode. Length of this node or internode is increased by the intercalary meristem.